Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Soak Fizz and Bubbles. This is their Beachscape Bath Bomb. And this one's really cool because it has some soap. They're little seashells and they're dusted in gold mica. Very cute. Also comes with a little bottle of bath oil. If you shake it, it does turn blue. And then there's little Epsom salts, little blocks of color. It's a very interesting looking bath bomb. So I wanted to show it to you first up close before I put it in the tub. But I did shake the oil really well. So kind of that blue color comes out. Dumped that in the tub while it was filling. Kind of rinsed out the bottle. And then I added the bath bomb. I was unsure if I should dunk it or what I should do, but I decided just to place it in, and if it happens to dump out, then it was meant to be. But it stayed upright and floating in the tub for a while, kind of like a little raft. And it smelled really good. The fragrance notes are rose, lily, orange, and lime. I think it said ozone, whatever that's supposed to smell like. But overall, it did kind of smell beachy to me, which is funny because none of those scents are really beachy, but it did smell really good. And it just floated upright for the longest time. I was still unsure if I should dunk it or not. But I let it go for a bit. I really thought because the side of it was wet and it was kind of coming into the bath bomb that it would flip over or fall apart, but it didn't. It actually wasn't until I went to check on it to see how much was left. There was still a lot left, but when I went to go place it back in the water, it completely just caved in. And then you could see how colorful it is on the inside. You got pink and yellow and purple and green. And I've said this a million times with their bath bombs. They always have really bright fluorescent colors. But when it mixes in the tub, it never turns the water murky or brown or anything gross looking, which is pretty impressive. But I let everything completely dissolve. There was just a little tiny shell from the bottom of it left in there. And here's what the water looked like. Beautiful blue. And it doesn't look like this one's on their website now, but I'm sure it might make another return. They currently have up a lot of their Halloween bath bombs, which I was able to get some of them before they sold out. So I will be posting those soon. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned if you're interested. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.